8th class. Today we are going to study about working model of the nervous system. It is very important long question as well as short question, and MCQs also come from this topic. Nervous system coordinates all body functions. It also detects the changes in the environment and produces the response to these changes. How the stimulus or the change is detected and how the stimulus is responded by the effectors. This is explained now in these paras. First of all, we define the stimulus. What is stimulus or define stimuli or stimulus? Any change in the environment that may be external or internal. And these changes, they can be detected by the receptors to produce or to initiate a nerve impulse. That is, it is called as stimulus. Plural stimuli. Example is heat, cold, pressure, sound waves, etc. These are the examples of the stimuli. Now define receptors. The special organs or the tissues or the cells which detect the stimulus, they are called as receptors or sense organs. These sense organs, they respond through the sensory neurons which are present in the receptor. These sensory neurons, they carry the messages regarding the stimulus in the form of nerve impulses from the receptors to the central nervous system, that is brain and spinal cord. Number 3, the brain and spinal cord, they read the messages which are coming through these sensory neurons, and they processes these messages and transmit the nerve impulses to the motor neurons. Now the motor neurons, they carry the nerve impulses to the parts of the body which respond. Such parts are called as effectors. For example, muscles and glands in the body act as the effectors. These muscles and the gland, they are called as effectors, and they respond according to the changes which occur in the environment through the nervous system.